Hello, in this video we will discuss about background working of Omnet++ program. An Omnet++ module consists of following parts: NAD language topology description.NAD files. We describe the module structure with parameters, gates, and etc. NAD files can be written using any text editor or the GNet graphical editor. Message definitions: we can define various message types and add data fields to them. Omnet++ will translate message definition into full-fledged C++ classes. Simple modules sources: they are C++ file, like we can use suffix .cc and .h. So next question is like, here we have to create one NAD file, one CC file, or one INE file. So why use separate NAD or INE files? NAD files define the topology of network modules. It is a part of the module description. INE files define simulation parameters, results to collect random seeds. This separation allows to change parameters without modifying the module. Example: no need to recompile, experiments can be executed as a batch. The simulation system provides the following component, like when we are using .cc file, so obviously it will use GCC compiler. So it is related to simulation kernel. This contains the code base, manage the simulation and the simulation class. Library: it is written in C++, compiled and put together to form a library, a file with .and .lib extension. User interfaces: Omnet++ user interfaces are used to simulation education to facilitate debugging, demonstrator or batch education of simulation. So what will be flow of this application? Like, first step, an Omnet++ model is built from components module which communicate by exchanging messages. Modules can be nested, that is, several modules can be grouped together to form a compound module. When creating the module, we need to map your system into a hierarchy of communicating modules. Second step, define the module structure in the NAD language. You can edit NAD in a text editor on the graphical of Eclipse-based Omnet++ simulation IDE. In third step, the active components of the module. Simple modules have to programmed in C++ using the simulation kernel and class library. In fourth step, provide a suitable Omnet INE to hold Omnet++ configuration and parameter to your model. And fifth step, like we have to build the simulation program and run it. Next, we'll discuss about .NAD file, .cc file, and .INE file. In .NAD file, we can see here simple module, network, submodules, and connections. TXE1 is a simple module type, automatic on NAD level and implemented in C++. TXE1 has one input gate named in and one output gate named out. Next, we can see here network name TikTok1, and we can also see here submodules like TikTok1 assembled from two submodule tick and talk instances from a module type called TXE1. Connection: TX out gate out to talk input gate and vice versa, and propagation delay we are using here 100 millisecond. Define a network TikTok1 which is an instance of the module type TikTok1. Now next we will discuss about .cc file. Here we can see we are including two header files, string.h and omnetpp.h, and we are using namespace omnetpp. First of all, we mention class name, which is same as like simple module which we mention in NAD file. This is inherit to C simple module. So TXE1 simple module represented at C++ class TXE1 subclass from C simple module. Here we are taking two methods. So need to redefine two methods from C simple module, like initialize or handle message. The module class needs to be registered with Omnet++. So why we are using here define module method name. Next, we are providing the definition to initialize method and handle message. So here we can see initialize is called at the beginning of the simulation. The bootstrap the tick-tock process, one of the modules need to send the first message. So we are taking here C message predefined class, and we are using here send method. In send method, we are passing the object of C message class and we are passing output get name out. Next, we can see here handle message. Handle message, we are passing parameter C message and we are creating object of C message star MSG. Handle message is called whenever a message arrive at the model. Here we just send it to the other model through get out, because both tick and talk does the same, the message will bounce between the two. It means using the send method we are actually send out the message. So this one is description about CC file. Next we will discuss about INE file. In INE file we have to mention network name which we are taking in NAD file. Now first of all we will build this program. We have to right click on this project, then build project. After building we can run as Omnet++ simulation. So we can see here Q10V window, and we can also see our design which we mentioned in NAD file, and we can see network name here TikTok1 and submodules tick and talk. Now we will click on run. So it will start to send message from source to destination. We can see result in two form. This one is like particular tabular form. This one is like console window. We can also record the result. We have to go into simulate, then click on event log recording. We can also run fast. We can also run in form of express. Then we can stop. Then close this window. We can see here in result folder it automatically create elog file. Why? Because we select event log recording Q10V window. So we can see here graph. TikTok is network name, talk and tick submodules name. Here we can see number 19, 18, 20, 21. These are like event number. TikTok message is message in string form. And we can see here like blue line. This is used to like send message. So this graph is divided into three parts: upper, main body and lower part. So we can see result in form of main part. Thank you. This one is description about demo project.